What's up, YouTube? Hello, guys, and I am back with another video. It's your girl Amaria. In case you don't know, let's like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color, guys. How are you doing today? Okay, listen. You saw that title. Here's the problem with the cam community, the cam industry, Onlyfans, PH, any type of sex work job site, anything for adults. Here's the problem with these things. For one, it is overly saturated. With it being overly saturated, it is overly saturated with everybody doing the same shit. Like everybody doing the same shit. You have a few people who have their unique niches and their unique things that they choose to use to allow people to be drawn to them. But you find a lot of people doing a whole lot of the same stuff. Whole lot of the same stuff. And then not only are they doing a whole lot of the same stuff, but they're giving away a whole lot of shit. Like you're giving away your everything and you haven't even received payments. They haven't paid you. You don't even know if that person even likes you. But you know what they do know? They know that they done got they off while you're getting your off. You know what I'm saying? So don't click on this video if this is not for you. I'm not here in the business for people pleasing, so this video is not for everybody. Um, Hopefully I didn't startle my Shift Smart or my other crew. But like I always tell you guys, as I'm learning, I'm gonna let you guys know, and as you're learning, you can let me know. And I've made videos on this previously. Um, so I'm just making another video. But like I said, if this is not for you, please click off the video because I'm not sugarcoating nothing. I'm not holding my tongue. I'm not doing that. Okay, that's not that what this video is for. So now that we got that out of the way, when it comes to this industry, bro, like I've literally sat there and I've literally sat there and watched cams. I will tip the girls sometimes. You know what I mean, on the sites that I'm actually on as well. But my thing is that because that's a nice thing to do, you know what I mean. But don't get carried away. But still, that's a nice thing to do, especially if you're sitting there watching them. You'll notice a lot of them be like, well, damn, like why am I just sitting here and ain't nobody tipping me? I'm just sitting here. You know why you're just sitting there? It's because you done gave it all away. They clicked on your video because it was gonna get them where they needed to go. They need to be clicking on your video because they're attracted to you and they want to build on that seduction and pay for it and then get the things that they want. You know what I mean? I ain't like I don't gatekeep, y'all. A lot of people out here, they gonna gatekeep. They're not gonna tell you the truth. They gonna dance around it, pussyfoot around it, and not tell you the truth, and not keep it straightforward. I'm gonna keep it straightforward. A lot of these websites will capitalize off of females just giving away a whole lot of free shit because what the niggas got paid, they don't have to pay if you're doing it. If you're just doing it, you know what I mean? Try to dial it back a bit. If you dial it back a bit, you may notice the difference in your audience. You may notice how they may be tipping, they maybe actually opening your tip menu. Okay? We'll have a lot of problems with dudes, they won't open your tip menu. You know why? Because you're giving it all. What they tipping for? They don't want to tell you to flash. They don't want to tell you to do nothing because you already given it. Why would they tip you for that? They're just gonna sit there and wait for you to do it because they know you're gonna do it. You keep getting up. You keep doing this. You keep doing that. Stop doing that. You know what I mean? Work smart, not hard. All right. We live in a life that we don't want to do this shit for fun. This is not for fun. This is like we not like I don't know. I mean, there's some people out here that do it, but if I'm like other people or other people are like me, it's for money. You know what I mean? So let's keep it that way and don't give away too much. Like what do you come on, don't do that. They gonna try to play into your stuff talking about teasers. Scams is a really big thing in this industry. That's a very big problem in this industry, but you need to be smart. Realize keywords, realize the stuff in the characteristics of people that's gonna waste your time and just try to scam you out of your time, money, and content. Because if you have people that's trying to scam you out of your time, money, and content, and you're allowing that to happen, it's just what it is. Suck it up, because that's just what it is. You know what I mean? We don't want to work for free. Okay, we don't want to work for free. We don't want to work for free. In saying that, don't work for free. Okay. Um, they will not help you get money from them. They will give money to people that they like. They will give money to people that they are attracted to. So, in saying that, do that. You know what I mean? Hopefully I got people that can read between the lines. I ain't trying to say too much. You can't do too much. You can't say too much. But I'm gonna keep it like what it is. I'm 6 minutes, I'm close to 6 minutes into this video. I don't like to make my videos too long. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all, because I like to get to the freaking point and I like to lay it out for what it is. You know what I mean? I'm not wasting your time and I'm not wasting mine. Okay. Um, yeah, all of my videos are around 10 minutes, 10 minutes or less. And it's a whole lot of different topics that's gonna help you on everything in your life. So why wouldn't you, want to help or improve what you currently got going on? Because if you rich as hell and you don't need no help with nothing, I'm pretty sure you wouldn't be on YouTube bored searching around for these type of videos or other videos similar. So you probably wouldn't be even be in this algorithm. If you're here trying to work smart, not hard, and you're also trying to build the life that you want, subscribe. Easy Life with Amaria Renee. Thank you so much.